If you use AI like this, you'll stay broke. Fix it in 5 minutes. If you're using ChatGPT every day and you're still not making money, then the problem is not AI, it's how you're using it. Because right now, most people are doing things with AI that guarantee they stay broke without even realizing it. And in the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly why that's happening, and how a small group is quietly turning the same tool into income. And mistake number 3, that's where most people get trapped permanently. So if you've ever said, I don't know how to make money online, or I've tried AI but nothing is working, this video is for you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners turn simple AI skills into real online income, even if you have zero experience. But today's lesson is different, because once you understand this, you'll stop using AI like a toy and start using it like a tool that builds income. Mistake 1, using AI without purpose. Most people open ChatGPT for entertainment. They ask random questions, they generate jokes, they explore for fun, then they close it and do nothing with it. Here's the truth, AI does not reward usage, it rewards output. If you are not creating something useful, something that solves a problem or can be sold, then you are not using AI for progress. You are just playing with it. Before you type anything, ask one question. What am I creating that has value to someone else? That one shift changes everything. Mistake 2, copy-paste thinking. This is where most beginners quietly lose opportunities. They generate AI content and send it directly. No editing, no personality, no direction. And then they wonder why nobody takes them seriously. AI gives you raw material, not finished work. Your value is not typing prompts. Your value is turning AI output into something clear, useful, and human. That's what gets attention. That's what gets paid. Mistake 3, learning without action. This is the biggest trap. People watch videos every day. They save tutorials. They learn tools, but they never offer anything to anyone. Not once. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't become ready first. You become ready by starting. If you've spent more than 7 days learning something, you already know enough to help someone who knows less than you. And that is where your first income begins, not in learning, in doing. Mistake 4, bad prompts equals bad results. A lot of people say AI is useless, but what they really mean is, I don't know how to talk to it properly. Because if your instructions are vague, your results will be useless. But when you add structure, what you want, who it's for, where it applies, what outcome you need, everything changes instantly. AI is not magic, it is precision. The clearer you are, the more powerful it becomes. Mistake 5, doing everything at once. This is where ambition turns into confusion. People try everything, writing, design, editing, automation, but nothing gets finished. And unfinished work doesn't make money. Here's the truth, money doesn't come from activity, it comes from focus. Pick one skill, stay with it long enough to produce results, then expand, not the other way around. Let's simplify everything. People who win with AI don't use more tools. They use fewer tools with direction. They don't consume endlessly. They produce consistently. And they don't wait to feel ready. They start, adjust, and improve along the way. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's actually a good thing. It means you recognize something you need to fix. Subscribe to this channel, because in the next video I'll show you the exact first AI skill you should learn if you're starting from zero and want to make your first income online fast. And comment this: what am I building this week? Not what you're learning, what you're building.